Yo, what's good everybody? So I recently picked up the Small Rig and Brandon Lee collab for the Small Rig cage for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today we're going to unbox and take a first look at it. So taking a look around the box quickly, nothing special, kind of just goes over some of the features, some of the legal stuff obviously. This side, it just kind of goes over everything included in the box. So in the box, you obviously get the signed cage, the signed wireless control quick release side handle, special edition quick release side handle. So they're the same, just one has a button, one doesn't. The variable ND filter, the filter ring adapter for other M mounts. You get a spare screw, user manual obviously for all the different things, and a nice little carrying pouch. So let's just dive in. Overall, presentation so far is pretty damn good. You get a little note from Brandon in Small Rig. Put it up on the screen now. That's Brandon. Take a read through it. I'm not usually a green person, but man, this color is really nice and it's kind of like faded and blends in. And just to preface this video, I did actually already take this on the trip. I'm recording the voiceover after. I kind of already know, how this is going to play. And obviously the inside you can see now has this nice soft rubber lining. So don't worry, you're not going to scratch. Your brand new titanium iPhone opens up, super clicky button right there, and you just slide your phone in. But we'll take a look at that in detail in a minute. So this is a pouch, Small Rig times Brandon. Nice pouch, pretty soft. I do wish they had a case instead, but I guess the pouch is more easily savable. A couple extra screws in case you need them. This is the adapter, so this is what's going to allow you to put your magnetic filters on, and it can either screw into this camera or the other camera hole, and you can just line it up based on what you plan on filming. And obviously if you have a rig like this, I guarantee you're kind of controlling what lens you're filming from. You're probably shooting raw, you're probably shooting like the log format, so you can color grade it later. This is the ND filter. It is all magnetic, so you don't have to worry about screwing it on and off, especially when you're out and about. It does add quite a bit of bulk to the camera itself. That's why you have the handles, especially for stabilizing, and you can't really use traditional gimbals because how much weight and size the cage adds. But even freehanding it, I've been using this a bit for some IG content, so I'm going to keep using this and editing more clips with it. Of course, Small Rig's kind enough to give a little cleaning cable as well. These are all the manuals. I'm not going to go over them. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. These are the side grips. Well, this little button, this is what connects to the side grips to allow you to quickly release and mount the grips from the mount itself. And there's two of them, one with the button and one without the button, and you can choose how you want to mount the little adapter piece, and you can swap this because the Allen key is built into the grip. But that little plastic piece is just for the shutter release, which is for the battery that's included inside. And so this is the Allen key I was talking about. Opening up the other grip as well. This one does not have a button, but it's pretty much the same pieces. Again, you get an Allen key in this as well, which is super handy, especially when you're out and about on site. You don't have to worry, maybe your bag's somewhere else, you just have the phone on you and you need to adjust your grip, or you need to maybe do a little panning shot and you need to hold the phone differently in portrait or landscape, so you want to adjust these. You can do it very, very quickly. Only way I can see them improving this design is to create some sort of clamp mechanism that doesn't require the use of Allen keys at all. It would be less secure, but that's a trade-off you got to make. In the future, I'd love to see them use some sort of strong magnets or something. And the top shutter and the grips do actually come off the mount, as you can see here. So you can alternate and put them on the other one if you want. And connecting it to the cage is quite simple, as you can see here. It's literally you just pull the two clips and you just slap it in there. And there you go. You have a little iPhone rig that you can use with different filters, different items. Now these are just some of my test shots I took on this. I've only color graded them and stabilized them, but this is kind of something that you can get out of this by adding, these filters, manually shooting, and enjoy. I do want to say that I did also pick up a circular polarizer as well as a black mist filter. I shot it in Apple's ProRes log and then color graded it in DaVinci Resolve. I am new to color grading, so don't let that throw you off. At least you'll get an idea of the cinematic videos you can capture on your travel. That's been a quick first look at the Small Rig iPhone cage for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you made it this far, thank you all for watching. Consider hitting the subscribe button. I do plan on filming and posting more content. Thank you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.